Look at this amazing view. Welcome to Fiji. Baron Bruno with Professionals. We are standing at Port Denarau Marina. And if you've been following the news regarding Fiji, this is where the Blue Lanes initiative is taking place. The Blue Lanes is allowing people with yachts and super yachts to come to Fiji and quarantine on their ships. So this has been highly successful. A lot of people are making their way here. There are long reservations. I think at least 100 yachts and super yachts are scheduled to come through. And this also happens to be where our office is located. We have two offices here in Port Denarau Marina. This is normally a magical, special hopping spot, and you can see right now it's a little quiet. Reason being is this is the tourist hub of Fiji, especially on the western island. It's about 15 to 20 minutes from the international airport in Nadi, which is spelled N-A-D-I, and a lot of people from Suva, which is the capital, come over here for night-like activities, resort hotels, all the boat tours you can see, helicopter tours, fishing charters, all the activities that you see, all are based out of here. So when you're here in Fiji, this is normally rocking. And there's usually live bands straight ahead of us, to the left, and straight ahead as well. What we have for you today is something also extra special. As you know, here we do a lot of residential listings. We also have commercial listings and businesses for sale. And what we have here today is we have a spot available for lease. Dennis Bula, one of our good local friends here, Dennis, stopping by. We have a spot right here. This is for rent. This is a commercial space, about 18 square meters, roughly, you can see. And this space is perfect for retail. The previous tenant was a big retail operator here in Fiji. So if you have a business already in Fiji, or you're looking to come to Fiji to set up a business, this is where you're going to want to have it for many reasons. The biggest reason being is that about 40% of the people who come to Fiji are walking right past that office right there. And you can see your neighbor happens to be us, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. That is our main office right there. And then we have another office just at the end here, Port Denarau Marina. So if you're interested, finding out more about this awesome space that is available for lease, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. And you can be our neighbor, and you can set up your business and be in front of people from literally all over the world who are coming here to Fiji. So amazing, incredible opportunity, and we love for you to come spend your time here with Fiji, open up your business, and become our neighbors. So we look forward to seeing you